Hello everyone, welcome to the course on developing web application using AngularJS. In this course, you will learn the introduction to AngularJS, modules and directives. You will learn about AngularJS scope, filters and service, events and forms, AngularJS Ajax and routing, and lastly, case study on creating employee management system. Let me walk you through the description of this course. AngularJS is an open source front-end framework for JavaScript. Building single-phase applications and line of business application can be done using the AngularJS framework. Within this course, you will learn to set up a development environment, learn the features of AngularJS and MVC architecture, understand modules and controllers, learn AngularJS scope, filters and services, understand events and forms in AngularJS, also learn Angular Ajax and routing, and at the end of the course, you will learn how to use AngularJS to build a web application. So, whom is this course actually useful? First, software developers, then full stack developers, then web developers. Let me walk you all through the prerequisites that you need to go through this course. Firstly, you need to have a basic knowledge of HTML5, basic knowledge of CSS3 to style the web page, knowledge of JavaScript, and understanding of working of a simple web page. Let me walk you all through the lessons and practices that we have planned for you in this course. So we have total of 6 lessons planned for you. The first lesson is Introduction to AngularJS, where in the practice session you will learn about expressions in AngularJS and installing and setting up of AngularJS. The second lesson is about modules and directives. Here in the practice lesson you will create a module and also you will explore directives. The third lesson is AngularJS scopes, filters and services. Here you will learn to create a root scope, then execute filter, and lastly types of service. You will learn about the types of services in AngularJS with example. Fourth lesson is about events and forms. Here we will go through AngularJS events with an example in the practice session, then AngularJS form and also fetching data from PHP. The next lesson is lesson 5, that is AngularJS Ajax and routing. Here in the practice lesson you will have a demo of AngularJS Ajax and also routing in AngularJS. The last is a very interesting practice lesson. This lesson as well as a practice lesson. The lesson is all about case study, that is creating an employee management system, and you will actually practice and create an employee management system on your own using AngularJS. So that's the very interesting lessons and practices that we have designed for you. So what are the practices environment that you would require? One is a Visual Studio Code and then the Chrome browser. Let me quickly summarize what I have walked you all through this in this overview. First is Introduction to AngularJS, modules and directives, AngularJS scope, filters and service, events and forms, AngularJS Ajax and routing, and case study of creating employee management system. These are exactly the lessons that you will go through in this course. Thank you, and hope you find this whole lesson and the practice sessions interesting. Thank you.